Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Usama, and today I'm going to show you that how does a rear light controller of a car or a bike works. So for this, I have written some description over here. So in that, I have made a truth table over here, which you can see here. It is the made, and the terminology is left brake emergency BL and left are described in the description of the truth table. Left is basically the left hand signal. Brake is when the brake is applied, both lights are on, that are left and right. BL is the basically internal signal of 1 hertz frequency. Emergency is emergency flasher, and when the emergency flasher brings the both lights bring. Left is basically the power control of the left right. And one more thing, the circuit and the Proteus simulation and the truth table both are same like left light. So for the sake of simplicity, I have made and implemented the uh, circuit and the truth table for only the left light, because the because all the procedure for the right light is same. So you can check the description over here of the circuit. So I am going to switch to the truth table of the circuit. So basically this is the truth table. Left light, brake emergency, and the internal frequency of the 1 hertz. So when all of these are at zero position, then we will be getting a zero output. And if the three inputs are 0 and the one input is 1, then we will be getting a 0 output. And simultaneously this whole truth table works. So if we make the pairs of 2, so I am going to explain over here. So for this I have to make pairs of 2. Basically these are for two zeros and two zeros, and the whole line of this whole truth table will be paired. So these are the two pairs of 0 0 1 1 and so on. Same is the case over here. So so for this, this basically is basically 0 1. If the output if I talk about the output, then this output is 0 1, and which resembles the BL. This is the 0 0, which is 0. This is the 1 0, which again resembles the BL, and the whole this truth table works. So for the sake of simplicity, I have made a updated truth table which have three bits, which are three basically inputs and a single output. So this is the basically updated truth table. The updated truth table says that if three inputs are 0, then the light will be at 0. If two inputs are 0 and the one is at 1, and we will be getting a output which is same as the BL. And so on, this whole truth table works. So same is the circuit, same truth table, and same simulation, same each and everything will be implemented for the right light. So I have, for the sake of simplicity, I have just implemented the left light simulation and the other procedures. So you can see here in the Proteus, I have implemented this circuit using two muxes. And if I run this circuit, so I will basically be able to check what are the outputs, and I will be able to verify my truth table. My truth table says that if all the inputs are at 0, then the left light should be 0. So this is basically the left light output. So the three inputs are 0, 0 and 0, and the light is at 0 position. So if the truth table says that if the left light, the brake, is at 0 position, and the emergency light is on, the output will be the BL. So for this uh, we can check that if emergency light is on, so this basically shows that the output is the same as the BL. So if I talk about the next line, we can see that if the left is at 0, the brake is at 1, the emergency light is at 0. So my left light should be is going to show me the input of 1. So left light at 0, brake at 1, and the emergency at 0. Let the brake be at 1 and the emergency be at 0. So you can see that how does this simulation works. Those and for the by this we can verify our this truth table by the help of Proteus. We can verify our this circuit. So the same truth table, the same simulation, and the same circuit will be implemented for the right light. So for the sake of simplicity, I have not implemented that. You can implement it by yourself, dear viewers, and you can check the outputs. And this is how our rear light system of a vehicle works. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the videos, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.